du lịch ở trong rừng rất vui.
Tại sao em nói được tiếng Việt nhiều?
Vì mẹ em là người Bắc, người Việt Nam và em sống ở Việt Nam tất cả đời của em luôn.
Em được sinh ra ở đâu?
Ở Hà Nội. Rồi tới Sài Gòn sống.
Hai nơi Sài Gòn và Hà Nội em thích ở đâu?
Em thích Sài Gòn, em ở Hà Nội không sống được.
Oh. Okay.
Stand on what? Very unlike, but it's more for agriculture. But they're still there. A lot of them.
This is one of the areas that was the most hard to sit.
Yeah.
We have to move on to another tree.
Yeah.
And find the birds.
Yeah.
The mushroom.
Traditional medicine mushroom.
This one.
Oh, maybe bring it back and cook it.
This the
The old one.
Rotten one.
Oh, bam. Posing well, bam.
No, you're posing. You got your
My
beach
swinging
gear on.
hands on.
That's exactly what you were wearing when you went to the waterfall.
Hello. This is a video.
Just want to make sure everybody
Interesting.
back. Yeah. Xin chào. Hi guys, this is Tien and I am on the biking trip in Nam Tien National Park in Dong Nai province. Today we just did like 40 kilometers in a big lift in National Park to Brockdale Farm, Brockdale Lake actually. And now we are heading back to the homestay, the lodge, which is on the last 8 kilometers. Very nice road, as you can see, but the first 32 kilometers kind of a little bit challenging with unpaved and red soil, muddy, and yeah, but pretty fun though, and also really nice road for riding. I highly recommend if you go to Tien National Park, do the big loop ride. A little bit challenging, but you're gonna do it. Goodbye, I'll see you in the next part.